Hey everybody, welcome back. We're up north again. It's a little cold up here today. It's in the mid to upper 30s. But yeah, fall's in the air. All the leaves are mostly changed. A lot of them are falling off the trees now. Today I was going to winterize the lawnmower. Before we get started, I'd like everybody to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we post new content. So let's run out of gas first. While we wait for the lawnmower to run out of gas, I thought we should go check out the trail cameras and see what they have on them. Let's go see what that looks like. Here is the first camera. Looks like it's got 14 videos on it, so I'm not sure what's all on this one. We'll pull these off and we'll go to the next one and see what's on it. Here is the next camera box. This one has 19 photos on it. So we're going to copy those off. All right, let's go check out the last camera over by the basswoods and see what's on that. And here is the North Basswood. You can see all this clover in here still. Stands over there. I've got the camera box there. Let's go see if anything's on that. This one's got 155 photos on it. So we'll have to see what these are. I'm going to copy those off to my phone real quick. And then we'll put the camera back up. Let's go see how the river looks, and then we'll see what we found on those cameras. Here's some more of the handiwork by the Beaver. That looks pretty fresh. I know I let the trapper know. Hopefully he'll catch it soon. You can really see the snow coming down now. So we knocked that one down. And no sooner than I try past that one, there's another one he's cut down. Shoot off the ends of that one. Cut it off of this one here. So the beavers are going to town back here. And you can see his path back through here. Yeah, I hope that trapper is able to get one. I gave him a call. He'll be back out here. He'll be out here to hopefully catch them. And here's a couple more. It's been eating off of that one. Chopping those down. Looks like he's starting to work on this one right here. He definitely chopped that one down over there. Yeah, he's doing some work. So here is the river. It's definitely not up to the banks. A couple of feet below the banks. But it's got a good amount of water in it. I'd like to see more. Needs to come up a couple of feet, I think. It's beautiful though. Beautiful back in here. It's the river and that's the park. Winter is coming. It's going to be snowing up here pretty soon, I bet. I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, give us some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you guys next time.